I've pre-drilled these blanks, so I load them in the cone spikes, which means I'll get a perfectly central hole. First thing to do is to rough them out. And with my gauge, which is just sheet metal with a slot cut in it, gauge the size and turn the rounded top, taking care to get close to the cone. And we reduce this end down. I can get close to it, gauging by my cone, and then just gauge it to size, turn down to size. Dividers give me the width of the bead. This bead's slightly one-sided. That's the shorter side. And a nice sweep down to the bead. And just tidy that up. Refine the shape. This is American black walnut. I'll start with 240 grit paper. Don't need an awful lot of sanding, but always remember, don't press too hard with your sandpaper. With this being walnut, I tend to go on and finish with a 400 grit. And a quick buff with the shavings to improve the surface. And there we have it. Simple handle, goes on a winding wheel, ready for lacquer.